That's dog food.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I look a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh.
Okay, so here goes the second snack crate box. We're just gonna open it up. It says Shalom next to my name, so that's Jewish.
Yeah.
Ah, damn. Hold on. Let me show it to the people.
If there's pork in it, I ain't touching it.
You see it?
No, what does that say?
Oh, I feel so close to Jesus now.
What does it say? Isreal. Okay. It's gonna be a nasty box, y'all.
I'm nervous because I've never wanted to taste anything from Israel.
It might be fresh ingredients.
Okay, so here goes the snack paper telling us everything that came inside of the box.
Snap.
Okay, you do the honors. Which one you want to do first? I'm done. What is that?
Like Pop Rocks. We gonna do.
It's two.
Oh, okay.
Is it the same one?
No, they're different flavors.
It says Torah on here.
So look,
Okay.
we're gonna do the oodles.
The oodles?
Did I put it in the camera right?
Yeah, great job, babe.
We're gonna do the oodles. This is tiny, tangy, fruity chews.
It really does.
It kind of feels like Pop Rocks. So I got some soda down here, so I wonder if I should put it with my soda. And we can have some pudding pops. And some
what?
Pudding pops.
Pudding pops?
Pudding pops.
Oh, pudding pops. Oh, you Bill Cosby today.
No. Not Bill Cosby.
All right.
All right, so I am pouring Ariana's in her hand.
Oh, no. No.
There she goes. Show her, baby. Show them what it looked like.
That is too much.
That's what she looked like, and I'm pouring mine in my hands. All right.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
We're ready. One, 2, 3. That ain't bad.
Remember them old Willy Wonka candies?
Mm-hmm.
And they was different colors. That's what it tastes like.
Yep.
It's okay. Okay, so this one is Bazali smoky flavored wheat snacks.
Looks like our sponsor's gonna take another gonna make another appearance here. I got him in my hand, we're ready.
The sponsor. Okay.
What does it smell like? Lord Jesus. You know what? I can't eat stuff that's steak. She's just gonna
hold on.
She's just gonna be mad at me. I can't
okay, I'm gonna
steak.
eat one. You gonna eat one. Here,
if it's
here
steak,
go your
I
one.
can't eat it.
There go your one.
Oh, Jesus. This smell like dog food.
I was trying not to say because I knew if I said it, you wasn't gonna eat it. Okay, pray my screen. One.
Hold on. Is it okay to call on Jesus if we talking about the Israel box?
Absolutely.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nope. Nope. That's dog food. I wouldn't even get after my
Where is
kid.
the sparkle?
All right.
And you act up, I'm
Brisk.
gonna give you this.
I'm giving that. This is Nadia's right here.
Nadia love to eat.
Not fit for human consumption. I knew it.
You stupid, it does not say that.
I knew it.
Okay, so the next snack we're gonna try is called Bamba Peanut Butter Puffs.
Real.
It smells like peanut butter. It smells like peanut butter. So I'm just gonna do one because these snacks got my nerves bad.
She's giving me a Cheeto.
Okay.
Cheerio, we have a Cheeto. Uno, dos, tres. That's nasty.
It wasn't horrible, but
Yes,
it had no. It just tastes like peanuts with no sugar or salt.
Okay, time for my commentary.
What you gotta say?
Was nasty. It tastes.
You already said that.
Listen to me, and listen to me well. That was nasty. That was gross. I would not give that to my worst enemy. We gotta come zoom.
Zoom zoom for your boom boom.
Zoom wham wham.
Okay, so this says it's a chocolate bar filled with wafer and hazelnut cream.
Wafer. I like wafers.
And all wafers ain't good wafers.
All wafers matter. Did y'all hear that? The saint just called me the.
Here you go. So
word.
1, 2, 3. And we're putting it on my. What's wrong? It's not bad. What is wrong with you?
I'm chewing.
Was it good?
Next one's in the box.
Oh, you want to answer me?
We got milk cream bars.
Oh, Lord. Why is all this chocolate and chips? Crispy bar filled with milk cream coated with white and milk chocolate. You praying? That's what it looks like.
3.
That wasn't bad.
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't bad at all.
I wouldn't buy it, but it wasn't bad.
All right, y'all. So that's it for the snack crate boxes. I would give each box a 2.
Israel got a -1.5.
Damn. It's a no for both boxes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me.